Let's take a look here at number 30. What is the area of the figure shown above? This is a trapezoid. So in order to find the area, we're going to use our area of a trapezoid formula. Let's go ahead and write down our area of a trapezoid formula. This is provided at the beginning of the exam with our other formulas. Our formula is 1/2 times B1 plus B2 times the height. B1 and B2 represent the two bases, top and bottom. H will represent the height. So let's go ahead and highlight that. Our B1 is 7, our top base. B2 is 12, our bottom base. And our height is 5. Now let's plug these values into our formula. We can rewrite this as 1/2 times 7 plus 12 times 5. Let's go ahead and add 12 plus 7. 12 plus 7 is 19. Now let's multiply 19 times 5. This will be 95. Times 1/2. One half of 95. 1/2 times 95 will get us 47.5. $47.5 is our answer, or answer choice C. Here we can plug in our values from the figure into the trapezoid formula. 1/2 times base 1 plus base 2 times the height. Great, let's take a look at number 31. Which of the following shows 48 as a product of primes? Here we can draw a factor tree to write out the prime factorization of, in this case, 48. We'll begin with 48. Two times 24. 2 times 12. 2 times 6. 2 times 3. Let's circle how many 2's we have. 2 is the lowest prime factor. 1 is not a prime number. 2 is, however. Circle how many 2's we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 can be rewritten as 2 to the 4th power. And let's not forget we have another prime factor here, 3. 2 to the 4th power times 3. Or answer choice B. B is our correct answer. Great, let's continue on to number 32. Which of the following cannot be the length of side MN and triangle MNO shown above? Let's go ahead and write a note into our math journal here. This will be geometry. The third side of a triangle must always be greater than the difference and less than the sum of the other two sides. We'll take our math rule here and apply this. In this case, the third side must be greater than let's write this out. 12 minus 5 is 7. So we know the third side must be greater than 7 times 12 minus 5. And less than 17 . 12 plus 5 is 17. It must be less than 17 times 12 plus 5. Let's restate that. In this case, the third side must be greater than 7 times 12 minus 5. And less than 17 times 12 plus 5. Since A, B, and C fall within this range, seven is less than x is less than 17. They could be possible values for the third side. Since D is greater than 17, so far it's the only choice that cannot be the length of side MN. And so satisfies the question, which the following cannot be the length of side MN. So the correct answer will be D. Let's try 33. When a number is divided by 8, the remainder is 2. What is the number? Let's go ahead and use the answer choices here. This is called PDA, or plugging in the answer. Let's plug in the answer. If we start with A, 8 will go into 11. Once with a remainder of 3. This is one remainder 3. Let's try B. 8 goes into 22 twice. With a remainder of 6. B will be 2 remainder 6. Now let's try C. 8 will go into 72 evenly. 9 times 8 is 72. There will be a remainder of 0. That only leaves us with D. Let's try D. 90 divided by 8. Eight times 10 will give us 80 with a remainder of 2. This is what we're looking for, a remainder of 2. D is our correct answer. And let's take a look at 34. What is the perimeter of a square with a side of length 2? Now to find the perimeter of a shape, we add up all the sides. In a square, all sides are equal. So if one side is 2, then all 4 sides are equal to 2. So A is the correct answer. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. A is the correct answer. Now let's take a note that C is incorrect because 4 would be the area of the square. Area equals S squared. Area of a square will be s squared. Or in other words, 2 squared, which would equal 4. This is why we can eliminate C. A is our correct answer.